Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 101 to 110 of gaseous state from Problems in Physical Chemistry for JEE Mains and Advanced by Narendra Awasthi. In question 101, a gaseous mixture contains 4 molecules with a velocity of 6 cm per second, 5 molecules with a velocity of 2 cm per second and 10 molecules with a velocity of 3 cm per second. What is the RMS velocity of the gas? To solve this question, we can use RMS velocity formula, that is root over n1 c1 square n2 c2 square dot n1 plus n2 . Okay, now according to the problem, 4 into 6 square, because 4 molecules with 6 cm per second plus 5 into 2 square plus 10 into 3 square divided by 4 plus 5 plus 10 and whole thing is under root. If you solve this, you can have an answer, that is 3.6 cm per second. So option C will be the correct option. In question number 102, the ratio between the root mean square velocity of hydrogen at 50 Kelvin and at oxygen at 800 Kelvin is, so CRMS of hydrogen and CRMS of oxygen is nothing but 50 by 25 and 1 by 800 divided by 32. Okay, so this is like 50, 32, 800 and it will become 1. So option C will be the correct option. In question number 103, we have to find the root mean square expression, and the correct answer for this question is option A. In question number 104, the root mean square velocity of hydrogen is root 5 times than that of nitrogen if T is the temperature of the gas. Then, so we can start like this: root mean square velocity of hydrogen and that of nitrogen is temperature of hydrogen by molecular weight of hydrogen, molecular weight of nitrogen, temperature of nitrogen. Okay, that is equal to root 5. Now if we square in both sides, we will get temperature of hydrogen divided by temperature of nitrogen multiplied by molecular weight of nitrogen, molecular weight of hydrogen 5. So temperature of hydrogen of temperature of nitrogen will become 5 by 14, which is lesser than 1. Hence temperature of hydrogen is lesser than temperature of nitrogen. Okay, so option C will be the correct option. In question number 105, we have a plot of fractions of molecules. So the A velocity represents most probable velocity, then the B represents the average, and C represents root mean square velocity. So for question number 105, option A will be the correct option. You can go through this also: C most probable, C average. Ratio of these three will give root 2, root 8 by 3, root 3, or 1.414 is to 1.63 is to 1.732. So hence you can easily see the position of the velocities in the graph. In question number 106, the most probable speed of 8 gram of hydrogen is 200 meter per second. Average kinetic energy we have to find for hydrogen gas. So average kinetic energy E can be calculated as 3 by 2 PV or 3 by 2 nRT. Now 8 gram of hydrogen, so 8 by 2 number of mole of hydrogen, we have to find the value of RT. See, for this question temperature is not given, so we have to find the value of temperature or the value of RT from 200 meter per second. So according to the problem, 200 equal to 2 RT by M, where mass will be calculated in kg, not in gram, because meter per second. 2 RT. From here we have to calculate the value of RT, which is going to be 40. Now we can plot this 40 value here, and the final value will become 240 joule. Okay, so option B will be the correct option. In question number 107, at what temperature will average speed of the molecule of second member of the series CnH2n be the same of Cl2 at 6 to 7 degrees centigrade? So CnH2n series, the second member should be C3H6, hence the molecular weight is 42. Okay, so hence the average speed is 8RT1 by M1 pi equal to 8RT2 M2 pi. So pi will cancel, 8R will cancel, so this will become T1 by 42, that is for C3H6, T2 divided by 35.5 multiplied by 2. Here T2 is given in the question, that is 627 plus 273. Hence if we calculate this, the T1 will become 532.39 Kelvin, which is nearly equal to 532.4 Kelvin. Hence option C will be the correct option. In question number 108, we have URMS expression is given by 30 r to the power half, which is equal to root over 3 RT M in kg unit, because it is meter per second. So if you square in both sides, it will become 900 R 3 into R into 300 divided by M 10 to the power minus. So these 3 cancel with each other, 900 cancel with each other, so M will become 1 by 10 to the power minus 3. So this is nothing but 10 to the power 3 gram or 1 kg per mole. Hence option D will be the correct option. In question number 109, 6 into 10 to the power 22 gas molecules, each of mass 10 to the power minus 24 kg, are taken in a vessel of 10 liter. What is the pressure exerted by the gas molecules? The root mean square velocity is given like this. Pressure is 1/3 mNc square by V. So 1/3 10 to the power minus 22 number of molecules of gas, each mass 10 to the power minus 24, and C is given by 100 square, divided by volume is 10 liter 10 to the power minus 3. So if you calculate this, the pressure will become 2 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal, that is option B. So option B will be the correct option. In 110, at what temperature will most probable speed of the molecules of second member of homologous series of CnH2n minus 2 be the same as that of SO2 at 527 degrees centigrade. So 2R T1 by M1 equal to 2R T2 by M2. So T1 by M1 will become T2 by M2. So T1 is 527 plus 723 divided by 64 equal to T2 40. So T2 will become 500 K, which is 227 degrees centigrade. Okay, so option C will be the correct option. Thank you for watching.